everyone, this is Arika Yadav. Welcome you all in RES News Channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the school news. PTM is organized on 23rd of March in Raj English School. Second, new session 2025-26 will commences from 1st of April 2025. Now some CBSE related news. First, CBSE issues important notice on Parents Handbook for Student Career Guidance. Second, CBSE expected to release the result of class 10 and 12 in the month of May. Now some national news. Operation on flush out a group of militants from Kathwas of forest. Second, CGI seeks detail of guard at Judge Yashwant Verma's house. Now some international news. Israeli military strike largest hospital in the southern Gaza on Sunday. Second, Canadian PM Mark Carney calls snap election, asks for mandate to tackle Donald Trump. Now some entertainment news. A Cine Pele pilgrimage to the Mountainal Prasad Multitask in Hyderabad. Second, R.K. Sriram Kumar, an authority and Dikshitar composition, gets Sangeeta Kalanidhi Award. Now some sports news. First, IPL 2025, SRH vs RR, firework from Kishan Light, a Sunrisers season opener. Second, Texas fires coach Rodney Terry after Longhorn make another quick exit from NCAA tournament. Now some Scout and Guide news. The Scout and Guide student of RES were awarded prizes for their outstanding performance. Now some educational news. Assam Board Class 11 exam 2025 cancelled due to paper leak at various centers. Second, Canada removes field of study requirement in PGWP for international students. Now some other news. Encounter in Jammu and Kashmir after soldiers intercept fresh infiltrator, girl injured. Second, Canada set for snap poll on April 28 as House of Commons dissolved. Let's meet after a short break. Let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some of the school news. Raj English School has organized a PTM on 23rd of March where top performing students were honored with certificates and gifts. Second, new session 2025-26 will commences from 1st of April in RES. Now some CBSE related news. The Central Board of Secondary Education has issued a notice regarding a parent handbook on career option after school. Second, the CBSE expected to release the result of class 10 and 12 board in the month of May. Now some national news. Major anti-militancy operation was launched on Sunday evening after a group of militants were engaged in a firefight in a forest area of Jammu's Kathua district. Supreme Court publication of documents and visual material related to the inquiry into the March 14, 2025 incident of fire and allied discovery of sack of half-burst currency note from a storeroom on the residential premises of a Delhi High Court judge. Now some international news. Israel's military struck the largest hospital in southern Gaza on Sunday night, killing one person, wounding other and causing a large fire, the territory's health ministry said. New Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney on Sunday 23rd March, saying he needed a strong mandate to deal with the threat that US President Donald Trump tariffs pose to the economy. Now some entertainment news. The Red Lorry Film Festival, typically synonymous with the Mumbai bustling Cinepele scene, expanded its horizon. Second, violinist R.K. Sriram Kumar has been selected for this year's Sangeeta Kalanidhi Award of the Music Academy. Now some sports news. The power-packed batting headlined by the Ishan Kishan's unbeaten century set up a 44-run win over the Rajasthan Royals in its IPL 2025. Second, the Universities of Texas fired basketball coach Rodney Terry on Sunday after disappointing first season in the Southeastern Conference and another quick exit from the NCAA tournament. Now some Scout and Guide news. The Scout and Guide students of Raj English School were awarded prize for their outstanding performance in the class during the parents-teacher meeting. Now some educational news. The Assam State Board has cancelled all the class 11th examination scheduled from 24th March to 29, covering 36 subjects due to a report of paper leak at various locations. Education Minister Ranoj Pegu has announced. Second, the Government of Canada's Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Department has eased the post-graduation work permit PGWP for international students by removing the field of study requirements. Now some other news. The anti-terror operation in Kathua, Jammu and Kashmir has been halted for the night and will be resumed in the morning, so said the gun battle with the terrorists. Second, Canada is set for the snap election on 28th of April. Prime Minister Mark Carney met the Governor-General Mary Simon on Sunday morning in Ottawa and requested her to dissolve the House of Commons. That's all for today. Thank you and stay connected with RES News channel.